Hey, thanks so much for taking time out of your day to check out Green Country Custom Baits again. We're going to be doing the Grand Shad today. No intro, going straight to shooting some paint on this swim bait. Come check it out. Okay, thanks guys. We're going to be doing the Grand Shad today, and start this pattern off. I've used some light brown before, but today we're just going to go with a little black right down the back. And we're just catching the back edge. This bait has some really nice scales on it. So we're just catching the very back edge. Come back with a little black a little bit later. All right, so next up, this one's done quite a bit different than most of your shads you see. I've done a lot of used many different kinds of grain on this, but golly, look at that. You're supposed to get it on in your brush, not on your hands, man. Today we're going to use a poison green. This is a candy color, and we're not going to bring out a lot of the candy effects in it. Just a little of that. For a third color, we're going to have some of this aluminum, chrome, silver, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to angle spray that along those scales at the bottom. Now, because this one's already got scales, normally I would probably shoot this through a scale mash. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but we've got a real nice machine. We'll do a quick heat set. Got to be careful with the heat gun around these fins. Yeah, that looks real good. Super good. Now we're going to come back over the back of this with some Wicked Gold. God, man, every one of my paints is like exploding. We'll reduce that just a little bit. That Wicked goes pretty thick. A couple drops 4011. Now, normally when you do this reducer, you want to let it set for about 5 minutes or 10. I'm not going to wait that long this time. This is just a little bit of a highlight, but that way I am going to stir it really good, get it to a consistency that I can live with. It looks pretty good. And I know you can't see that, but now what we're going to do is we're going to come over the back and throw down a little scale. I think that'll work. And I know it's not going to stay on this tail, but we go ahead and we paint that a little bit too. Now we need a darken it. And we need a little shad spot. We did that right before the joint. And guys, let me know what you think. This is the Grand Shad. Again, painted it for a guy up on Grand Lake. And the report that I got back was phenomenal. I've tried at any of those lakes that have that fairly clean to, 3 foot of visibility in the water. I haven't thrown it a whole lot on any of your stained water patterns, but again, Grand Shad on a swim bait. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Until next week, Green Country Baits signing out.